Hello everyone. First make the today's agenda. Today we'll learn about the X argument, then head, then tail, then find. That means to check the file. So let's start it. First I am doing PWD. That means to check the present working directory. Now I am creating few files. Okay, like touch test1, touch test2, touch test3, touch test4. Let's check all the files. ls minus lrt star. All the 4 files are there, and main sh, that file is the content of this. Okay, so now since all are the files, that means the test1, test2, test3, test4, all of the 4 files are the touch file. That's why those 4 files are 0-byte files. Now put some content on the test4 file. I am taking haphazardly the test4 files. Okay, so I am doing the vi edit, vi test4. Now I am inserting something, like I am putting my name Animesh, in the second line shortcut, then IT, then world, then with, then Linux. Now let's save it. Escape. Okay, now let's check the content of the test4. Initially it was 0-byte file, that means the no content in the test4 file. Now let's check it. Test4. Okay, all the contents are there, like Animesh, shortcut, IT, world, with, Linux. Okay, now first I am doing the X argument. X argument, basically it will convert. Let's write it. It will convert column to row. Apart from it, it has many other scenario as well. To implement the X argument, you can do other things as well. But in this video, I am showing you how to convert the column to row. Okay, so in the content of the test4 files, the content of the test4 files are Animesh, shortcut, IT, world, with, Linux, etc. Okay, and all the contents are column basis. So if you want to display it with the row wise, or I can say if you want to display it in the horizontal way, okay, you can use the X argument. Now let's check it. Come to this one, cat test4. Here the content comes in the vertical format. Okay, now I am doing test4 pipe, then X argument. Let's enter. Here the content comes in the horizontal way. Okay, now I am showing the head and tail. Suppose you want to check all the lines on the test4 files. So in that case, what you will do? Cat test4 wc minus l. Wc minus l, it's basically a arithmetic operator. It's basically count the number of lines basically. So it is the 6 lines are there. Suppose you want to display the first 2 lines in between these 6 lines. So in that case, what you will do? You will do head minus 2. Why minus 2? Because you want to display the first 2 lines. That's why head. First 2 lines of your test4 file. So head minus 2, after that the file name. So it will display the first 2 lines. That means the Animesh and Sarkar. Okay. Now you want to display the last 2 lines. Okay. And one more thing I am telling, suppose you want to display the first 3 lines of the test4 files. In that case, you will use head minus 3. then test4. It will display the first 3 lines. That means Animesh, Sarkar, IT. If you want to display the last 2 lines of your test4 files, in that case, you will use the tail -2. Why -2? Because you want to display the last 2 lines. The number is 2. That's why you are using the 2, this particular number. Now the file name. So it is displaying the last 2 lines. That means with and linux. Suppose you want to display the last 3 lines of your test4 file. In that case, what you will do? You will do tail -3 after the file name. Okay. Now I'm showing you the last thing. That means the find. Okay. Suppose let's check all the files content. ls -lrt, then start. You will get all the file contents. Now one more thing, I'm showing you the date as well. So the files are created 9/1, 9/1, 9/3 like that, but now the latest time is 9/6. Okay, and all the time are UTC time zone. Okay. Now you want let's make few more files. Okay. Touch test 5, touch test 6. Let's check it. ls -lrt start. Now I'm checking all the files. Okay. But test 5 and test 6 I have created just now. You can check the time as well. Test 5 and for test 6. Okay. But I want to find out all the file list which I have created 4 minutes back. Okay. So in that case, what you will do? In that case, if you want to check all the files list which you have created 4 minutes back, on that case, the test 5 and test 6 files will not appear. Let's check it. Find dot means you are representing the current path. Okay, it is the significance of dot. Then -type, then f, then -m, min means you are trying to find out with the help of the minute quantity. Then +4 plus after space +4. That means you want to find out all the file list which you have created in the last 4 minutes. Okay, let's enter. You have created test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, but you are not getting the test 5 and test 6 because you have created just 1 minute or 2 minutes back. Okay. Suppose you are doing find dot means you are doing in the present path. That's why you are putting the dot here. Then -type f -m min, then +1. So that means you want to find out all the file lists which you have created last 1 minute ago. In that case, you will get all the file list. Let's check it. Enter. You will get all the file list. Okay. Now, if you want to delete all the files which you have created in the last 1 minute ago, okay. Suppose you created all the file lists. How it will help you? It will help you to reduce the space issue. Okay. I am telling you the physical significance. In the physical, you know, the real life work experience, how it will help you. Okay. Suppose you want to reduce the space issue. Okay. So in that case, what you will do? Suppose you want to remove all the file list which you have created last 1 minute before. Okay. So you will use find, then dot, then you will use -type, then f, then -m min, then +1. Then you will put xargs, then rm. That means you are trying to remove all the file list which you have created in the last 1 minute ago. Let's enter. Then check all the file list, ls -lrt, then start. There is a no file or directory because you have deleted all the file list. Okay. This is all about for today's video. Thank you.